praises to our heavenly Lord.
Si ex mo, no?
Para kay Manuel. Kinat pala si Iman.
Salvation from above. What heart can see and tap into? The God of heaven abides with you on Christmas Day. Rejoice on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Rejoice on Christmas Day, the glory. God forever sing your praise, in joy and patience all your days. God abides with you on Christmas Day, 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 the morning.
Christ. This is my first Christmas as a Christian, so it's extra special for me. I'm on my way. Like most of you, I have big plans for the holiday. I'm on my way to visit my daughter Diane and her children all the way in snowy Colorado. Over the past few years since my wife died, it has been difficult to get the family together. Excuses, long distances, and busyness let the time slip by. But a major health issue recently put things in perspective for me. So, here I am, flying halfway across the country to surprise Diane on Christmas. Now, if I could just find her coffee shop.
I've seen you forever. I'm so glad you came. We're having a real big family.
Well, that's the plan.
You came for my favorite holiday. Christmas is just wonderful.
It is definitely full of wonder, especially to a child's eyes.
Is Christmas as wonderful way back when you were a kid?
Yes, it was. I imagine it has been that way since the very first Christmas.
When was that again?
Oh dear, we have a lot of work ahead of us. You should know the answer to that.
Si ex mo, no?
Saan ko mag-video, Wen? Para kay Manuel, Wen. Kinat pala si Iman.
Lord is the King Lord is the King
Confided the attic.
This isn't a junk. These decorations belong to your grandmother. I wonder how your mother ended up with them.
Lutot na siya.
Sorry. I do kind of like the angels and the nativity. But watch out. The holy branches still have thorns.
We have many memories with these old chunks. Did you know each of these decorations symbolize something and have a deeper meaning?
Because it reminds you of the different part of the Christmas story.
Exactly. I didn't pay attention to it in the past, but it holds a lot of meaning for me now.
I never thought of decorations that way. It makes holidays seem more important.
Holidays are very
Sweet Jesus, your Savior.
a few widows. Surprise!
What are you doing here?
Surprise! Merry
Oh,
Christmas!
It's a nice surprise, but definitely it's unexpected one.
I hope I'm not intruding,
No, it's fine.
but I just want to be together for Christmas.
It's fine. It's nice for you.
Hindi.
Mom, Grandpa is helping me decorate the shop.
Dad, why didn't you call?
Oh, it's just a last second decision. And I don't want to stress you out in planning and getting ready.
Pagayo mo itong hatag mo.
I just wish I could have warned you that things are really busy here at the shop right now. With all the tourists in town, I don't know how much free time I'm going to have this week.
I completely understand. We can save our celebrating until you are off for Christmas.
That's what I mean. I would have told you to you later.
Getting really good. He thinks he's going to the Olympics like Mom. Yeah, I'm going to be in the Olympics, especially if I have a trainer like your brother.
No, Garrett. Grandpa didn't come here to coach skiing.
But he was your coach.
That's enough. It's not happening.
Fine. That's a lot.
Not really. Not now. Garrett, come talk to me in the back.
You passed into business. You passed into business, don't you?
We missed one last year. Could even give us two.
Two?
It's okay. We don't expect it.
You are so much like your grandmother. I did in fact come bearing gifts. Now hold
The we repeat, evermore He will.
Just trying to make myself useful, and besides, if I help you with the workload, maybe you will have time to take off for Christmas.
I appreciate that, but I'm just not up for a big Christmas right now. The holiday rush at the resort this year has been overwhelming, and it's just not enough.
We could at least have a Christmas dinner.
I don't know.
We have to eat!
Now, let me handle it all. And
Kibot
let
mo.
me do the cooking.
Wow, that seems it will taste good.
Yeah.
What's that supposed to mean? And stop hiding under the counter.
Can we please?
It just didn't happen yet.
When did you become such a vibrant color nut?
A lot changed of me since I accepted Jesus as my Savior.
But Grandma, when did everyone start celebrating Christmas?
All of them pointed to the coming Messiah. The 7 biblical feasts that you mentioned were all laid out in the Old Testament. Some of the feasts commemorated historical events, like God bringing the children of Israel out of the captivity in Egypt. Others, like the Day of Atonement, had specific spiritual significance for God's people.
Still waiting for Christmas.
All of them pointed to the coming Messiah. Christmas